In this part, we are going to use theme provider to provide a theme to all React components underneath itself. So at the top, we are also need to import the theme provider, which contains two properties. One is primary, and we copy this color as the primary color, and the other is mango. Now we go to the bottom and we wrap the whole app with the theme provider. We want to create an effect like bootstrap such that we can type the color is equal to primary, and then it will turn to the primary color. Now since we will use the multi-line CSS at here, so we are going to add the CSS first. And then instead of using the background color and also the color, we will use the props. And then if there is we check if there is a props.color. If yes, then we are going to use the foreign CSS. Now we are going to cut the background color CSS and paste it here. And we also need the text color. When we try the website, we will see the effect is the same. When we delete one card, the button will turn pink, and when we delete one more, the button will become red and the text will become bold and black. And now we are going to change something. Instead of hardcode this screen, we are going to use the theme. So we are going to use the props.theme, and since we also change the color at the button here, we already passed the props here. Or first change to primary first. As you can see, we already passed the color here, so we can paste the color at here, so it will change dynamic. So when we save, because we are still using the primary color, and the primary color is the green color, so now when we try to change to the mango, you can see it already turned yellow, but I think it is better to change the color of the text too. So we go to the top and we reverse the color. This is white and this is black. So now it becomes black, and let's try again, and when we delete it, this still pink and also black text, and when we delete one more, it will become a white text with red color button. Actually, we can also extract the style button. So now we are going to create a folder named as element. So under the source, we are going to create the element folder, and under the element, we are going to create a button.js. And now we can copy the whole button to the other file. So we cut this and we paste it here. Now we are going to import the style and also the CSS. This one can be deleted, and also at the bottom, remember to export default. Now we go back to the app.js, and since this is not used, we can delete this one and also delete the CSS. Now we can import the button from the element and also button. Now we can refresh, and now you can see it looks the same and there's no error. And let me check. There's nothing wrong here except this one. So we may also change 44. We think this should be used triple equal. Now all the errors has gone, and so this is how to extract the button to another file.